Okay, I'm doing the last clear coat resin on my nightstands. And I just poured it, and I have it in the bucket, and it's just, remember, it's hot, very hot, and you need to be stirring it. Anyway, I wish I could I'm going to put this down. Well, let me try to stir it this way, because I want to try to keep going. I want to keep going with it. If you don't stir it, it's going to get real hot, like smoking hot, and it does smoke. So anyway, that's what they look like. And I did my desk in the office sewing room, and I did the bathroom sink, I did the kitchen. You can use wallpaper, any kind of wallpaper. You don't have to be a faux finish or a professional. You can pick out any color, any design, and follow the directions. I'll use a clay base wallpaper paste, and I normally sand and prime, then put the clay base wallpaper paste on the paper, let it relax, and then cover it. And then I'm going to keep stirring in case I need some over there. Let's see what I'll do. What I can do is I'm going to move this here. And you got to make sure your area is has paper down, and then I just did it like a lip edge because I've got the paper on the edge. So I'm going to go back, and excuse what I'm doing, but anyway, I'm going back and putting it on the edge. I dipped my sponge brush. Now see, looks like a little port there. So it takes a little while for it to set up. See, there's support there that's dropping, and I'll just pick that up and put it back because it self-levels. Oh shit, I'm not showing you. Yeah. Well, I'm not a videoer, but maybe one day I will be. So hopefully this, I'm always nervous when I do this. Oh God. You've got to go exactly to the directions. You have to pour it in 2 separate containers, equal part, then stir 3 minutes, I think. Anyway, and then you pour it into the bigger container, and then you stir another 3 minutes. Look, I'm not even showing you. I'm doing it, and I'm not even showing you. I'm sorry. Oh, God. Anyway, I'm sweating out here because I don't have the AC on. The electric's not on. So anyway, so I'm going to stir this. If you keep stirring it, it'll keep it alive. Let me feel. Yeah, it's really hot. I wonder if it's smoking, because it literally does smoke. And it's hot as heck in here. It's like 96 degrees in here in the RV. Anyway, let me take this over here, and then I see an edge. See, I can do that, and then it will level itself out. Yeah. So it looks like there's a little bit of, and it might be because of the back. But make sure your furniture or whatever, your table, whatever you're doing is level. Put the leveler on it and make sure, and you know, this thing here is bouncing, it's on wheels. So, because if it finds a port, like see right there, it is just going to slowly run off, and then you're going to have little spots that didn't get any, you know. So I'm trying to, there. So I need to stir this because it's getting, oh yeah, it's getting thick. I can feel it. Yeah. This always makes me nervous. Oh my God. There was one time, I've been doing this since 2010. There was, I do dressers, I do people, you know, because I do customers' They don't want to, you know, tear up construction in the bathrooms and stuff. We'll pick out the paper and put it on. Make it look like marble or whatever. And I've got tons of pictures. Hopefully I'll put them on this video and you'll be able to see them. Cause not videos, pictures. But anyway, there was one time I did a Marilyn Monroe trunk. It was so gorgeous. No, that one turned out good. It was one of my sinks that was in one of my other houses. See how it's getting thick? It's ready. It's going to harden up in just a minute. So let me see if it's smoking. No, but it's about to. And I don't have nothing to put this on. But it's better to have more stirred and ready than it is to have less, because you can't stop and then make up another batch and try to put it on top. It won't work. And then one time, look how it's hardened up that fast. There it goes. But wow, that turned out really good though. I say really good, so because one time I did it on my sink in the guest bathroom, and then the next morning I got up to touch it. Wow, it's done. It's like totally can't touch it. It's gone. So I got up to touch it and it was sticky, and I thought, oh, that's not right. So I was hoping, you know, after when I come home that evening, it was still sticky. So I knew something was wrong. But I think I got lazy with my processing, because you have to follow the directions. It looks stupid. Like, what a waste. Pour it in here, pour it in here, pour it in here. But it's true. You have to follow the directions. I even put a timer on my phone. 3 minutes. To make sure it's correct, because I don't want to go through that. If you screw up, like I did, you're going to have to scrape it off, sand, do all kinds of... I just did the best I could to get it off, and then I put a new top on it and started over, though. So, this looks really good. Yes. This looks really good. And then I put that paper around. I put the plastic. I put the paper on the floor. You know, this stuff here, it's hard to come up. You have to sand it. You know, you don't want it on your furniture. You don't want it on your hands. You need some paint thinner to get it off. But I've been doing it long enough, so I'm pretty cool. You know, I don't have nothing on my hands. So, and then... let's see. Well, you know, 24 hours you can come in, and tomorrow I'll touch it and it'll be done. Oh, thank God. This always makes me nervous. Always. So anyway, that is how you do the clear coat epoxy. It's really cool. Totally awesome. Beautiful. So anyway, that's what that looks like. Now I'm getting ready to go home. I'm tired. So I'll let you see it tomorrow.